Hello and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Nicola and I make lifestyle videos. Today is very exciting because it's pumpkin day. It is my decorate for autumn day and probably one of my favourite days of the year. Christmas, I love Christmas. Decorating for Christmas I find quite stressful because there is so much. This is getting kind of similar. However, I just love it. I opened the boxes and the smell from the candles and everything was just phenomenal. I was like, oh, I just want to eat it all. I want to lie in it and roll in it, and it just smells cozy. So I cannot wait to get all of this out. It's kind of a drizzly, horrible sort of day today, which means that it's even better because it feels like the right day to be putting all the pumpkins out. So yeah, I'm very excited. So I thought I'd bring you along. This probably won't be a very long video. I'm just going to video me putting this stuff out, and then I'll do a little tour at the end to show you what it all looks like. So I hope you enjoy it and yeah, get a cup of tea, feel cozy, and let's get decorating.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. be sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way. We will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait. Till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way. We will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. No one's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together.
It is now the next day. I sort of took my time doing the decorations. I didn't rush it, and so by the time I got to sort of finish it yesterday, it was dark, and so I wanted to film it all properly in the daytime for you. So I'm going to follow this ending with a little montage of how everything looks. I've sort of moved a few bits around, so it won't look exactly the same as it did when I was setting it up in the bit you've just seen. So there's a few additional bits. I did buy a few little bits in Tesco, because I nipped up to Tesco yesterday evening to buy some garlic bread, and they had some little wicker pumpkins, which you'll see in the end clip, and a little maple leaf like dish, which I loved, and they were like £2.50 each, so I bought a few of those. But that's it now. I'm not allowed to buy anything more. We are sufficient, let's say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Leave me a nice comment down below. And I hope you enjoy the little montage that follows now. See you next time. Bye.